Hello friends, Tanya here with a product close-up video featuring the Norse Gnome stamp and dies. This is a 4x4 stamp set that features an adorable Viking gnome and 3 punny sentiments. There are coordinating dies for all of the images and sentiments in this set. That is one of my favorite things about the Trinity stamps and dies. They coordinate so beautifully in that way. I have colored and die cut each of those images for you to give you an idea of how they look when you use them on a project. Here is a card that I created using one of the stencils that's in this release, and then this one is done by the infamous and famous Sandy Allnock, and then we have one by Cassie Trask, also gorgeous. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you aren't subscribed to this channel, please take a moment and do that now. If you're interested in the product I used today, check that description box below. And until next time, bye-bye.